Well, I'm here before the ticket agents are. Not sure when they're gonna show up. Early flight. Early flight. I am checked in at Pop Century, and I'm heading over to the Poly. Sit down, maybe have a drink, chill out a little bit. It's a beautiful day so far. They're calling for some rain later in the afternoon. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Might be a full-on thunderstorm. But for the time being, rather than braving the crowds well before my fast passes, I'm gonna head over to the Tambu Lounge at the Polynesian. Just took the boat launch over here from the Magic Kingdom area, and we'll see if we can't find a little something to drink. It's been kind of a long morning. I've been up for 8 hours, and I'm finally gonna get a chance to just sit down and enjoy myself. And have selected the Tambu Lounge exactly for that. There's that Lapu Lapu. Here's to vacation.
Left-hand side are Disney's Palm and Disney's Magnolia golf courses at the Shades of Green Resort.
So my friend Chloe, who I call like Dr. Chloe, so I texted her and I'm like, Dr. Chloe.
Wow guys, it's pretty busy at the moment. Okay, so that right there, Sleepy Hollow refreshments, that's where I'm trying to get. But there's a early afternoon parade going on right now. At the moment, starring Merida. Hello, Merida. I want my chicken waffle sandwich, Merida. Yes, it's spring break at Walt Disney World. Yes, it's crowded as all get out. But no, I don't care. I have to admit, as recently as yesterday afternoon, I was a little worried. I was a little stressed out. I had a 6-day trip scheduled, and I wasn't super excited about it. I mean, I don't know, maybe it was a feeling of a little bit of an overload. I've had an annual pass this year. I've been 3 times already within this calendar year. My annual pass runs out at the end of this trip. just 3 days after this trip ends. And so, I don't know, I was a little stressed out, worried that I wasn't going to have as good a time as I was used to, that I was done with it. No. No. I'm heading on over to ride Splash Mountain. I am not over it. I needn't have worried. A very, very grave responsibility is handed to me. It is up to me to decide how long does it take for someone with a fast pass to get onto Splash Mountain. Well, we shall see. We shall see. First attraction of the trip, Splash Mountain. So far today, I've been on a plane, I've been on a bus, I've been on a boat, I've been on the monorail, now I'm on a regular old train. Lots of transportation happening today. Let's just sit back and enjoy.
And thanks for traveling with us on the Walt Disney World Railroad. Join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
I think it's traumatizing a little bit.